Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountant's Minute. This is a weekly commentary on issues confronting accountants. And this week we have some very interesting matters to discuss with you, because the Commonwealth Bank's Accountants Market Pulse Report team have released their latest commentary on the state of the Australian accounting industry. And they have clearly identified that, based on a survey of accountants all over Australia, that business advisory services is top of the charts. 81% of the leading firms that were identified by the review team, based on the responses that firms were giving to the consultants conducting the interviews, 81% of the leading firms have identified that business advisory services is the key area that they will be promoting to their clients, that they expect their clients to participate in during 2021 and 2022. What are you doing within your firm on business advisory services? Because 67% of the firms that were identified as lagging by the Commonwealth Bank's team also indicated that they believe their major project over this next 18 months was business advisory services. The report also indicated some general commentary on the Australian accounting industry. Clients are demanding an ever-evolving range of services. Is your firm keeping up with these requirements? There is a new form of competition emerging, and I'm sure we all know and understand that. But are you implementing policies to overcome the competition that is emerging in Australia, and from outsourcing and from other technologies offering services? Technology is changing the way the accountancy profession delivers services. And I just really am looking forward to seeing what happens over the next 5 years, when I consider what has happened over the last 25 years in an accountancy business, how things are done as compared to what they used to be. And the other big issue is the retention of staff. Staff need to be motivated, they need to be trained, and they're looking for challenges. Having them sit there all day performing tax return work is not, I think, meeting the requirements that staff are looking for these days. They're looking for variety, they're looking for challenges, they're looking for experiences. And this is where a commitment to offering a broader range of commercial services that has generally been identified as business advisory services is a way that you can be influencing your team to stay together, so that you are not continually having to replace team members who have gone somewhere else where they think their opportunities for advancement and knowledge will be greater. We have some short posts that are part of this edition of Accountant's Minute that you can click onto to read, or to listen to a short video, 2 to 4 minutes, which will be discussions on various aspects of business advisory services that you mightn't have thought about, that you could offer to your clients. Because what you are called upon to do, I think, is to be the chief financial officer for your clients, to offer them the type of services that you would perform if you work for them full time. But obviously you don't work for them full time. You're running an accountancy or a business consulting firm. So you're going to be delivering this on a virtual basis to try to give them the same type of input that they would have received if they had a full-time qualified accountant working for them. But most SMEs cannot afford that service. This is your opportunity to really give them that service to enhance their performance, to add value to their businesses. We have 2 outstanding webinars coming up in the next 2 weeks. They're free. They're on at 12 noon AEST. Why not come along and find out more about the type of services involved in business advisory services? The first one is on Thursday, the 13th of May, where I'm going to discuss business advisory services. What's involved? How do you get started? Which products or services? Because these are the types of questions that accountants ask me when I communicate with them and ask them, are you going to deliver business advisory services? Are you going to meet the challenge that the marketplace is delivering to you? And on Wednesday, the 19th of May at 12 noon AEST, we have an outstanding webinar for you. We're going to talk about predictive accounting. And some people are saying to me, what's that? Well, please come along and find out, because it's an integral part of business advisory services. And we have 3 presenters for you. Paul Barnaby, the Australasian representative for Plan Guru, and a very experienced accountant, especially on predictive accounting. He will be joined from America by Trip Graham, who's the marketing director of Plan Guru, a major American company that has developed 3-in-1 technology for the preparation of budgets, cash flow forecasts, and predicted balance sheets. And I'll be making comments about the ESS BIZTOOLS involvement in the predictive accounting package that we have developed. You can register for both of these webinars from the email that you've received with the commentary on this Accountant's Minute, or you can go to our website, www.essbiztools.com.au. If you have any questions about any aspect of how your firm can gear up to offer business advisory services, or to improve what you're currently doing within business advisory services, don't hesitate. Please give me a ring or send me an email to phone me 1-800-232-088, or send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au, because we are committed at ESS BIZTOOLS to deliver the best service in Australia for Australian accountants to be able to offer the best service under the banner Business Advisory Services. Have a great day. Goodbye.